Hello. Alright. We're back working on this S-10 here. I didn't film anything last week, so we got all this welded in. We're starting to grind it down. We're going to get it all ground down, get some mud on it, kind of just smooth it out. I'm not trying to make it super straight or nothing. I just want it smoothed out so it looks clean. We're going to get going. Alright, we're going to put a little mud to smooth out the seams on this plates we welded in. We're not going to get too fancy, like I said. Right now I'm working on a piece to cover up where the steering column went through. Kind of wish I had a stock one that I could just cut off the column and, you know, retrofit on there, but, you know, I don't. So I'm over here. I made a little cardboard template. Now we're cutting her out of some sheet metal. We'll bend her to fit. Hopefully it all works out. About to drill a hole. So, yeah. Alright, so we got that plate made up. We're just gonna leave it bolt on. I mean, I don't really feel like trying to weld it in. It turned out pretty good. I think it'll be fine once everything's all painted in the same color. I'm just going through, welding up the last few holes I have. And you still got that gaper down here. But just trying to get this finished up so I can get some Bondo on it and get some primer on it. Alright. I know I haven't put out a video for a while. I have been down here a couple times working on this thing. You can see I got it a bunch of mud on it, smoothing out the seams. But I haven't really filmed much, and honestly I've had a lot of shit going on, and I went on vacation, and so didn't have much time to do any filming. But here's what we got going. I about got this finished up. I'm gonna fill in a couple pinholes and get some primer on this, and then the firewall will be done. I know I had mentioned before I still got to take care of these rockers, couple spots on those, but the cab's almost ready to start prepping for paint. We got to get the rest of the cage taken care of, the front and the rear. But we got the bed off of the chassis. Kind of take a look at the chassis. Right now, I got my son stripping out all the lines and wiring and everything. We're going to start getting this thing ready for paint. I want to get this chassis painted first. We'll get the motor back in, get all the lines and hoses and cables ran back on the frame. Then I can start painting some body panels. I can't wait, man. It's been too long, and this project's just dragging on for like 20 years. So you see we got the hood back there, we got fender up there, we got another fender on the top. So the doors are over there buried. Everything's pretty much ready to prep for paint. We got the bed right here. While it's off, I'm going to finish up the inside of the wheel tubs and this centerpiece I put in. We're going to get that all finished up and probably put some caulk on it and get it all primed and painted. We'll also do the inside, get all that primed and painted. And I don't know, I still haven't decided what if I'm gonna paint. I obviously got to paint the front of the bed before it goes back on the truck, because you know it's going to be in between the cab. I don't know if I'm going to paint the quarter panels off the truck or on. I'm thinking I might. I don't know what I'm thinking. It'll kind of be one of them decisions that I make when I'm doing it. But that's where we're at right now. I'll get some video of me priming this cab, and that'll be about it for today. Woo, yeah. Look at that. Got a coat of primer on there. Looks pretty good. Like I said, I wasn't going for nothing super fancy. Just, you know, wanted to make it look like a smoother firewall. So, there it is. All right. Yes, finally done with the firewall. That was a long process. I probably had 3 separate weekends into that. So it's done now. I'm happy with it. Looks pretty decent. Take care of them rockers next time, and we're going to be going full force on the underneath of that bed there. See it hiding behind all them bumpers. And we're going to be going on this frame too. I want to get the frame painted, so once I get body panels, you know, like I said, once the frame's painted, I can start painting body panels and stacking them. So I'm getting excited. Hope you guys are too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you made it this far into the video. So yeah.